Welcome back, Arbab is here and you're watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this short video, you will learn about the ICT daily buys, which will help you to increase your win rate. Bro, once you find out your daily buys, the rest of the thing is the piece of cake. So stick with me, it will be a really helpful for you. So what we have to do, we have to come with the daily time frame. It can be your any pair, so prefer a major Forex pair or indices, gold, Euro USD or anything, okay? So what we have to find, any candle, for example, we are here in 20th of July, okay? So what this candle does do, this candle take out the liquidity of the previous day. Once any candle take out the low of the previous day, we consider the bias hour is bearish, as simple as it is, okay? If this candle take out the high of the day, then we consider the price is bullish, the bias is bullish, so we only find the bullish trade, okay? Once we find out the previous day low was taken by this candle, then what we have to do, we have next day we have to target the same day low, okay? So in this scenario we find the power of 3 in many cases, that you find a consolidation phase, okay? Then if your bias is bullish, then you see a fake move to the downside, okay, and then to the distribution side, understood? And if your bias is bearish, then you will find a fake move to the upside and then a distribution phase, okay, understood? So let's jump to the here on the next candle. Yeah, next day, the 21st July Friday, also take out the low of the day, okay? Then the next day what happened, price first take out the low of the previous day, high of the previous day. It's just not a sweep, even equal highs, and then also sweep the low of the day, okay? Next day, then we shift, we are still bearish. Next day also take out the low, we are still bearish, we wait here, okay? Now what happened, next day price go above and take the high of the previous candle. So now our bias turned from bullish to bearish, okay? Bearish to bullish. Now we have only find trade for the bullish. Next day what happened, price take the high also and the low also. It can be your news day, okay, 27th of July, you can check on forexfactory.com. It can be your news day which can manipulate the market, and we have maybe here a fair value gap, extreme fair value gap, which can also lead, okay? Then what happened, price also take the low of the day and close downside, so we are still bearish. Then we shift to the next candle, we take out the low. Sometime you will see price will move between the candle, so wait, your bias is bearish, you only find the bearish trade, okay? So we still bearish here, okay? Then we still bearish here, price take out this one. Then what happened, next day price take the high of the day, we are become bullish. Now we search only bullish trade. Next day what happened, price close equal and go downside, but did not take the low of the day. But the next of the day it will take, see, bearish, okay? We are bullish in sidebar, okay? And the next day what happened, price take out the like this. These how you consider daily buys, bullish and bearish, okay? It doesn't mean you take trade suddenly, you have to wait for confirmation in 4-hour time frame, then 1 hour, then you find the strategy ICT Judah swing, solar ICT Judah swing, power of 3. These are confluences is will make your daily buys perfect, and you can take a trade with a proper risk management and proper rules and plans, okay? Remember everything, liquidity area imbalance is your bias, okay? See where is price going, so find out why that price is going that area. Is there is any liquidity area, build it, or is there is any your imbalance efficiency is available here, bro? Even if you are using indicator, most of the indicator are lagging indicator. It's mean price move first, then the indicator follow them, okay? So everything is price action and the volume, okay? So even if you are using indicator, just use a volume and understand the volume, because numbers did not tell a lie. People do, but numbers did not tell a lie, okay? Remember, if the price going to anywhere, find out the area why this price is going that area, okay? If there is a liquidity efficiency, plan that area, do the setup. ICT give many type of setups, you can do. See, you will find that area will be a kill zone hours. Okay, I hope you learn many things in this video. Okay, so meet you in the next video, but make sure you join our Telegram channel, link in the bio. And if you need a zero spread broker, the link also in the description of this video. And you will also find my Telegram channel link. What's benefit of Telegram channel? You will find everyday ICT, SMC, trade setup and free trading strategy, which also have a good win rate. With one day yesterday on Thursday 17th of August, we hit these much target on the same day, 8 TPs. So we also give very narrow stop losses, everything's like that. Okay, so you can join, it's free of cost, no any paid group, no any mentorship, nothing is there, everything is free. I am free, don't worry. Welcome.